Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20V cordless blower from Parkside, the model PAUGB A1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included, one battery series over 100 devices. Compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries. Blower speed 2 levels, first 180, second 234 km per hour. Volume flow 81.5 and 106 cubic meter per hour. Runtime 14 and 7 minutes, depending the battery you are using. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. Recommended battery 20V 2 ampere hours. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Include we have in the manual, if you want to read this your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. 4 accessories, another one here, drill hole nozzle, nice. You can use this attachment when you are drilling a hole and blow all the dust from the hole. Dust collection tube, blow pipe nozzle, very soft and broken, okay. Oh my god. With a little bit of glue I think it will be okay. Extension tube, you can use the extension, there it is, rotate and it locks. And then you can install that here at the main unit. Press, rotate and it locks. And that is the maximum length. You can use the extension and with a drill hole nozzle. You can use it with a dust collection tube, spiral hose, plastic and metal. You can use the dust collection tube with a drill hole nozzle. Connect first the drill hole nozzle at the main unit, rotate, and then that here, and rotate and it locks. So when you are blowing air at any hole, the dust will remain at the tube inside. Nice, I like that. And the main unit, soft elements, the motor, 92 decibel, small, on-off switch, first and second. And of course we need batteries. You can use the regular batteries, 2 or 4 ampere hours, or the professional batteries, 4 and 8 ampere hours. And of course you need a charger. You can use the regular charger 2.4 amps or the fast charger 4.5 amps. Not included the charger and the battery. Recommended for me, use the 2.4 amps, slowly charge your batteries for longer life. 4 ampere hours professional, first speed, very noisy, so let's give it a test outdoors, see how it works. The sheer freedom of cordless operation is a game changer. No more tripping hazards, no more searching for outlets. Just grab your charged battery and you are ready to tackle leaves, dust, grass clippings and light debris anywhere in your garden or driveway. With its powerful airflow and ergonomic design, the blower makes quick work of cleaning tasks. Plus, being part of the Parkside 20V X-Team series, you can use the same battery across a multitude of other Parkside tools, which is fantastic for your wallet and convenience. Whether you are doing a quick clean-up after mowing, preparing for guests, or just want to keep your patio pristine, this cordless blower is an invaluable asset. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and surprisingly effective of its size. So, if you are tired of sweeping or dealing with tangled cords, the Parkside 20V cordless blower is definitely a smart upgrade for your garden tool collection. It truly makes outdoor cleanup a breeze. Do you prefer cordless tool in your garden? And what's your go-to method for cleaning leaves? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers. And there we have it, folks. Our comprehensive tool at the Parkside 20V cordless blower comes to a close. This is an incredibly handy tool that truly redefines convenience when it comes to keeping your outdoor spaces tidy. If this video helped you decide if the cordless blower is right for you, please give us a big thumbs up, it truly supports our channel. And for more honest reviews of power tools, garden gear and DIY essentials, make sure you are subscribed and have hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We are always on the lookout for tools that make your projects easier and more enjoyable. Until next time, keep your garden spotless and we'll see you in the next video.